Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Renu Pawar and I will be going you through Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals throughout this course, where we are going to explore artificial intelligence. So, let's take a look at what we are going to learn here. Our first lesson in this section will be all about introducing you to artificial intelligence or AI and breaking it down to its key components to make it easier to understand. Next, we will take a look at some uses for AI and see how we can use AI for things like home automation, facial recognition, and using AI to block fraudulent charges to your bank accounts. After that, we will explore Microsoft's 6 principles of responsible AI and see how we can create a fair, transparent, and inclusive AI solution. From there, I will show you some of Microsoft's AI demonstrations ranging from image analysis to text analytics to show off some of the cool things we will be exploring and learning throughout this course. Well, I am excited to have you on board with me as we take a look at the world of artificial intelligence and get you prepared for the AI 900 exam. So, let's get started. An introduction to artificial intelligence. In this lesson, we will explore what AI is and from there we will break it down into its key elements starting with machine learning, anomaly detection, computer vision, natural language processing, and finally conversational AI. So, what is artificial intelligence? Well, it's not magic that will solve all of our problems, unfortunately. Nor it is fully functioning android or robot that walk among us. Not yet, anyway. Simply put, artificial intelligence is software or a computer system that can copy the behavior and actions of a human. So, think of a voice assistant like Siri, Cortana, or Alexa. All of those are examples of artificial intelligence because they can hear and respond like a human would. Another example of AI is self-driving cars or computers that can play chess. Again, the intent is to copy the behavior and actions of a human. Now, hopefully, the good behaviors and actions of humans. Okay, so now that we have an idea of what AI is, let's break it down into its key elements. So, first up, we have got machine learning. Machine learning is the foundation of most AI systems and is how a machine can learn to make predictions or group things. So, hold up now. How can a machine learn, you ask? Well, we can use data to train machine learning models. So, the computer can make predictions. As an example of how we can use machine learning, I take walks every day with my wife in the morning at different times based on the temperature. If I recorded the temperature, time, day, duration, etc. of our walks, I could use machine learning to predict the time. I will take a walk in a given day based on the temperature, humidity, weather, etc. You know, I might have to do this to find the most optimal part of the day to walking. Our second element of AI is anomaly detection. Now, this uses machine learning to analyze data over time and identify unusual changes. If you have ever gotten an email or a call from your bank saying, "Hey, this charges looks unusual. Could you review it?" That's an example of anomaly detection. Another example is, let's say you are running a website with a firewall and you get alerts about requests from an unusual location. That is also anomaly detection in play. So, basically anything that deviates from whatever the standard pattern is could be flagged as an anomaly. Third, we have computer vision, which is the way that AI can see the world through visual processing. With this element, we can examine images, video, live capture from a camera to do things like image classification. To classify image based on what's in them like a car or a truck. In the realm, we also have things like object detection and facial recognition where we can detect and even recognize faces. We also have things like optical character recognition where we can extract text from a picture. Example KYIV Road W2 City of Westminster from the given image. After that, we have got natural language processing, which is how we can create a software that understands written and spoken language. So this area is where we have our voice assistants like Siri, Cortana, Alexa. So if I asked, "Hey Siri, am I going the right way?" we could get a response back that we are on the right path. Now, there is more we can do with natural language processing, such as analyzing and interpreting text, and we can also automatically translate spoken or written languages. And our last key element, conversational AI. So, this is where AI systems can chat and converse with humans. So, think of an online chatbot system. When you visit a website that asks if you need any help, conversational AI can also be used for customer support for products or services, a reservation system, or even home automation. They are also typically used with a question answer database to answer some frequently asked questions. And that's all, friends. Let's see what we have covered in this section. First, what is artificial intelligence is? In this lesson, we explored AI and learned that it's a software or a computer system that attempts to copy the behavior and actions of humans. From there, we broke AI down into its key elements. Machine learning, which is using data to train machines. Anomaly detection, to detect abnormal patterns in data. Computer vision, to see the world and examine images and videos. Natural language processing, to create software that understands written and spoken language. And finally, conversational AI, where the AI systems can have a conversation with us. I will be covering more of these elements and their uses later on. So don't worry right now. Well, thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope to see you in the next video, which will be coming soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.